What I'm going to show is something that, sometimes you use RedCap day in and day out and you don't actually look at all the features that are available. And this is something I just realized the other day. Go to the episode information. What I'm going to show is I'm going to first show the copy function with where for multiple fields. So click on the three fields under episode information. And let's say I need to create these onto another form, the same exact field. So we're going to copy them with this multi-field thing. And what is very nice is, of course, you can copy it and they would make a duplicate right under each individual field, or you can make them all under the last field, which is the way I prefer to do it. But then this new checkbox here, I don't know if it's new actually, says replace the selection with newly created fields. I finally clicked on that the other day, and when you hit copy fields, what it does is it moves the checkboxes selection from the originals and puts it on the new fields. So now it will be very simple to move these fields onto a new instrument. So if you click that move, and we're going to just move it to a brand new instrument at the end. So he'll scroll down. This is a very long form. Move fields there. Move them. And now there's another box or another link that's very helpful. It says that they've moved them. And if you click on this view the field on the other data collection instrument, that will take you right to the new instrument, right to the new fields that you just moved. So for me, that's very useful when you're trying to duplicate some information or, repeat it in a little bit different method. You might need to change the names and answers here, but at least it's fully moved. You're right there where you need to be, and you can do your edits. If we go back to the other form, this form has like almost 500 fields on it. Well, just over 400. So it's very hard to like find what you want to edit. And this field navigator is very handy. Again, something that's been there for a while, but I just haven't really looked at it. It works really well with the section headers. So if you have a section header, it'll list all of them here, and then you can select the one that you want to go to, that your data is in lesions, and it'll take you right to lesions. The other thing that's really cool here is that it has a Control G or Command G if you're using Apple, and you can select your actual field name right from this. You can type it in or scroll down and find it. And now we can click on age and go right back up to the top where age is. I think that those things, like I said, you can use RedCap in and out all day, but unless you actually try some stuff, sometimes you don't realize it's there.
Oh, I agree. That's sweet. I never saw it. I never tried to use it.
Right, exactly.
And that's
So
one of the things we got behind on demoing some of these new features. So nice.